Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some chicken parmesan. I haven't been feeling that great, so you're not going to be seeing me today, and I'm sorry for that. I mean, you'll see my arm right there, but I'm going ahead and do my serving of pasta right here, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my boiling pot of water over here in the top corner. But our main focus is breading. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we have our chicken breasts right here. And our a little bit of olive oil is over here heating up in a shallow pan. And what we're going to do first is just put the chicken, dredge it in a milk and egg. And a milk and egg mixture wash. You're going to want to dry your chicken off before you dredge it. Then we're going to put it in cornstarch. And just mix that up real good. Make sure that you're not going to use all of this, so it's not going to be much sodium. Probably about 3 milligrams here of sodium, unless you're making it for the whole family. And then add it up as what you did use and how much you put in. Alright, so we have it here dredged, and now we're going to put it back into the egg wash there. And today we're going to be using some salt-free breadcrumbs and an Italian mixture that I purchased on Amazon, and I will show you guys that in one of my next grocery shopping haul videos. And I'll also link it into the description below. Alright, so we have this here, and now we're just going to coat our chicken really good in that breadcrumbs and that seasoning and everything like that. Make sure that it's completely covered. Alright, now that we've done that, shake off any extra, and we're going to come over here to our frying pan, and where we have our olive oil and it's already warm, go ahead and put that in, and I'll let you guys watch that fry. Do not move the chicken once you set it down. And I'm going to clean up while you're watching this cook. Okay, and we're back, and we're just going to put in our half a cup here, covered over our chicken. It's not half a cup. The oven has been set on 400, and we are using tomato basil low sodium silver plate here. Link will be in the description below. We're going to go ahead and put in our serving of mozzarella cheese. And the pasta should still be cooking. And you're going to cook this until it is bubbly on top. So I'm going to go ahead, put this in the oven, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done and the pasta's still cooking, because I'm using a Durham blend pasta, so it takes longer to cook. So, see you guys soon. Alright guys, the pasta is done. So I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil on it, because I've washed it and I've rinsed it off in cold water. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of Parmesan into the pasta. That's usually about a pinch like this. And then we're going to put some fresh ground black pepper on our pasta. And then just take our spoon here and mix that up. And just wait for the chicken to be done. Guys, the Parmesan is done and bubbly. So we're just going to take it and put it on top of our noodles. Putting everything else in there as well. And it's done, you guys. I'm going to take it over there to the window and show you guys how it looks in natural lighting and close up. I hope you like it. Okay guys, so here is the chicken Parmesan. It's completely done. Noodles, sauce, cheese, everything. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye guys.